today we've got something really exciting to do. We've got this paper towel magic trick science experiment that we are going to be doing together. Now, we've already had a little chat about this and you know what we need. Tell everybody out there what we need for this magic trick today.
Scrap paper, jug of water, paper towels, and selection of colour Crayola pens.
Or felt tips.
And a tray.
Lovely. Now, what we need to do first of all, Ceyla, is make sure that we both have the scrap paper on our table so that when we are using the felt tips, it does not go through onto the table, so that we are always keeping our area nice and tidy and not ruin things. Okay, so what we need first of all is 2 sheets of the paper towel. You can see that that is 1 and that is 2, and you have that natural cutting line. So I'm going to pass it over to you, Ceyla.
And I'm going to start.
And I'm going to have my own. Now, I'm going to pick up a black pen, the felt tip. Now I'm going to keep this really simple in the beginning, everybody. Now I'm going to be drawing some simple shapes, and while I'm drawing some simple shapes, Ceyla, you can have a think about what you would like to do, and guys out there, you can also think about what you'd like to do too. So I'm going to do some simple shapes. I have a triangle, a square, a circle, and I might as well just go ahead and do a rectangle as well. There we go. Now, what we also need to do is this. Once we have drawn our shapes, we need to open out our paper towel and then fold it back so then it looks like a book. You can see that. But then what we need to do is trace over the shapes that we have drawn. So I have my triangle, my square, the circle right at the very top, and the rectangle, the last rectangle. We can see this. Now, here is where it all becomes interesting, and this is where we can start becoming creative. And guys, express yourself. You can't go wrong here. So what I've done, I'm opening out my sheet. Now here, I'm going to pick up a light blue, and I'm just going to colour in very quickly. You can carry on. Excellent. I've got my mustard yellow. Let's go with a bright pink. It's lovely. Look at Ceyla's funny face. And a purple. And guys, now that I have completed mine, you can see that. We have the colour shapes. And also, when we close the sheet, we have the shapes without the colours right there. And what we'll do, we'll have a look at what Ceyla's going to be doing and completing hers, and then we'll move on forward. That's done. Fantastic. Show everybody at home. And let's close it like the book so that it looks like mine. And let's show the camera. There we go. Lovely. Okay.
We can pull the ones that we did first.
Beautiful.
And then we can do another one.
Let's just show everybody. Now guys, here is the big reveal. And wow, look at the way those colours just come straight out. And now I'm going to do mine. I can't wait to do this. And here is the big reveal. Wow. This is what we had created earlier. I really enjoyed this paper towel magic trick science experiment today. Did you like it?
Yes! If you do, press the like button. If you want to see more videos, subscribe!
Bye.